looks unreal, right? But it is real. When I went to Nainital, I clicked this particular picture actually a couple of months back. Literally, we tossed the coin, and me and my friend just started riding towards the north, and we ended up in Nainital. And from Nainital, if you look towards Joshimath, this is the scenery you're gonna see. Literally, look at it, yeah. These are the Himalayan range. This is gonna be my desktop wallpaper for at least a couple of months. And talking about these mountains, I just remember one more thing. You see this medal here? It's not a medal, but actually I found this day before yesterday while I was cleaning my tank bag. When we recently went to Kardungla, Shiva got this. This is like a souvenir. So when you go to Kardungla, you can buy such souvenirs. How much is it? Doesn't matter. It is like a donation. You can pay 100 rupees for it. You can pay 1000 rupees for it depending on your capability. The donation money is gonna go towards the development and maintenance of Kardungla. I left this here on the table, but I think mom put it over here. Not the right place, but looks good. Now this is the second time I went to Kardungla on a two-wheeler. First time, you guys remember that, obviously how can you forget it, we went on the beautiful dark horse. We enjoyed a lot in that trip. Even this trip I enjoyed, that too on the BMW, the Emperor. Definitely had a lot of fun. Only thing is, anything that you experience first time in your life is much better than doing it for the second time. And because I keep getting these memories about the Tiger, when I was editing my day one video, I tried to do this small edit which I learned on Skillshare. Let me show this edit. So basically I wanted to feel that transformation that happened literally from getting a Tiger to today owning a BMW and going on the same route. Like I told you, it's a very simple editing technique, just changing the transparency and all that, but it's about getting the idea and implementing it. Whenever I wanted to learn something like this, a new editing technique or color correction, anything like that, I head to Skillshare. You can literally learn a ton of things from Skillshare, be it graphic design, photography, UI UX designing, creative writing, animation, fine art, productivity, web development. So firstly, Skillshare is a sponsor for this video. They reached out to me to tell my audience about what they do. In simple terms, Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creators. You can not only explore new skills, but you can deepen your existing passions. Just go through Skillshare, you'll understand the kind of topics you can learn. If you want to be a YouTuber, if you want to do some personality development, improve your soft skills, all this, there are a lot of amazing tutors out there who will definitely add value to your life. For example, now YouTube is a thing. A lot of people wanted to become tech YouTubers, motor vloggers, that vlogger, this vlogger. It's very good, but you get stuck at some places. One of my favorite tech YouTubers is definitely Marcus Brownlee. I keep watching this particular class of his. It's called a YouTube Success. Script, shoot and edit with MKBHD. It definitely helps. There are some small tips that you can definitely take that can take you a long way. And that too coming from a very successful YouTuber like MKBHD. It means a lot. And also the best part is it is curated for learning, which means there are no ads. They're always launching new classes which are curated by industry leaders, so you can properly stay focused and you can follow wherever the creativity takes you. Skillshare will help you gain exposure through their classes. These are designed to help you explore what you're genuinely interested in. They believe that a strong community is essential to personal growth. You can buy the subscription. It is like pretty cheap. Like it is less than 2400 rupees per annum, which is less than 200 rupees per month. I mean, that is the same amount we spend when we go to a coffee shop, dude. And that too in one sitting. This is for a month I'm talking. Now, you don't need to jump into something just like that. You can take a trial of that. That is the reason I have a special link in the description. You can use this link for a 1 month trial, but there is a catch. This free trial of 1 month is available only to the first 7,000 viewers who click on the link and subscribe. I think it is worth it. All this is okay, but finally the time has come to modify this, not modify, but customize the street twin. Yes, now today, finally F-I-N-A-double-F, I forgot the spelling, dude. F-I-N-A-L-L-Y, finally we are going to take this street twin to the Triumph showroom. Already booked an appointment with them. Let's go. Let me quickly take a shower and I'll see you guys directly on the street twin, people. You see, though there is the BMW and the Triumph here, the street twin, still this place doesn't look that good, right? Reason for that is, I think it is to do with the shed. Don't worry, definitely in the next, I think 1 or 2 weeks we're gonna plan and remove this whole thing. We're gonna get a pergola here as well, exactly like this one. Oh yes, this looks amazing, right? Imagine that being here. Also, this is because it's opaque. Thing is, it doesn't let light through, because of which this whole place is like kind of dark. Also, I'm planning to set up a small home gym here. Already the equipment is here, but once we get this whole thing done, all this area will be covered totally, and this is the place where we're planning to put the gym. Like chota sa. I hope lockdowns don't happen, but suddenly if some lockdown happens, or generally if I don't feel like going to the gym, sometimes I can work out from home. This is the equipment. I don't know what are all these, but 1, 2, 3, and there are a couple of weights over here, dumbbells, and that's a big rod. I think I'll be setting this up once this whole thing is done. We're all sorted. I mean, am I happy for the gym? No, there is something more. I'm taking the street one out finally, and today we're gonna get 3 things done on this: the handlebar, LED indicators, and bar and rear view mirrors. Bike looks really good, no doubts about that. But once you put all that, it's gonna look more stylish. Okay, time is around 11:30. I had to start literally at 10 o'clock. I thought I'll finish this work jilly and come back home so that I can spend some time with Naisha, because if I come late now, she'll sleep. But there is like crazy amount of traffic. I don't want to get stuck in that. So I'm starting a little bit late. I was checking Google Maps and right now it seems to be fine. So I'm leaving now, but then I realized I have to take the handlebar with me, the Ace handlebar. Thing is, it is too big. I cannot fit it inside my bag. I thought I'll put it on the back seat, but then again it protrudes like a pannier. Good thing I found is I can dismantle it. Literally made it into 3 pieces. Now I'll just put it in the bag and I'll see you on the bike. Areva, Face ID works with this dark tinted visor as well. That's amazing, dude. That's why I love Apple, dude. Let's see the traffic now. Previously when I saw it, it was showing 1 hour 10 minutes for crazy 18 kilometers. Chalo, abhi kam ho gaya. Near Secunderabad there was a lot of traffic. Abhi red became orange. 43 minutes for 18 kilometers is pretty good. Start the ho gaya. Obviously it will start, dude. And recently I put the bike over here. There was a warning for flooding and all that. It's just a warning. I know it will not happen, but it's better to be safe. Wow. Amazing, like next level weather, dude. I just hope that it doesn't rain and ruin my ride. Always when I'm in the city, if it rains, it is so kitsch pitch. I really hate it. A lot of mud and all that coming on your legs and all that. I know for a biker that's all normal, but when you're in a ride, it's okay because we wear like proper riding gear and stuff. But when you're in the city, you wear like casual, something like jeans and all that, and if they get dirty, it's so irritating. This is the best part about a street, when you can filter out easily. And oh yeah, I think if we put the Ace handlebar on this, right now the position is already a little bit inclined towards the front, but once you put the Ace handlebar, it's gonna be like this. You will feel more retro, you'll feel more like a cafe racer. But yeah, like I told you, city mein it's amazing. Let's see if it doesn't work out. If I don't like it, we'll again change it. What is there? Anyways, we'll have the stock handlebar. But seriously, yaar, this weather mein, it's lovely to ride the bike, especially with the dark tinted visor. It feels much more cozy. Fuel also, I don't remember when I put it in this. Abhi to 161 kilometers hai range. Srima, don't talk about range now. It's very cute. 161 kilometers. I think it's almost full tank. I think Street 2 full tank is around 11 or 12 liters, like to the brim. So this is the place where there is like a crazy amount of jam, especially if you come in the peak hours, you're jam packed. So morning when I tried to come, when I saw the map, this is where there was like a pure blood red line. It was showing plus 10 minutes delay just for this one flyover. If you start at 10:30, you'll reach by 11:45. If you start at 11 o'clock, you'll reach by 11:45 anyway. And oh yes, I'm going aram se like this. I did not even call them. I took an appointment yesterday. I hope they remember that I'm coming. And main thing is, I told them like a couple of months back that I'll be taking these accessories, the bar and mirrors and the LED indicators. Hopefully they keep it for me. Otherwise we'll just fix the handlebar and then we have to reorder once again. Wait for it, don't know kab aayega. But yeah, definitely customization is gonna start from today onwards. Mark my words. Oh, no singing songs, bro. You're getting memes, a lot of memes when you sing song and dance. అన్న ఏకదమ్ ఉన్నాడు. ఎల్లో టీషర్ట్, ఎల్లో బండి, ఎల్లో నంబర్ ప్లేట్, ఎల్లో చెప్పులు వేస్తే ఇంకా సెక్సీ ఉండేది. బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నైస్ టు హ్యావ్ అ యూనిక్ టేస్ట్ లైక్ దట్, యూ హ్యావ్ టు స్టాండ్ అవుట్ డిఫరెంట్. Really appreciate that guy's boldness. Abhi dekho, no one wants to be unique around you. Everyone wants a white car, white Seltos. What white Seltos, dude? Can't you buy another beautiful bright color like the orange Verna? Look how it beautifully stands out. What is all this white Verna, white Seltos, white Nexa? వైట్ సిల్వర్ అరే చంపారా నన్ను. నేను రీచింగ్ ది ట్రామ్ షోరూమ్ నౌ. అబ్బా బాబా ఎన్ని రోజులు అయింది ఈ మాటని. సో మెనీ డేస్ సిన్స్ ఐ సెడ్ దిస్ వర్డ్స్. వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ది ట్రామ్ షోరూమ్ ఫైనలీ. ఏం తిప్పినావు అంకుల్. ఏమరా వైట్ ట్రామ్ షోరూమ్ ఖాళీ ఖాళీగా అనిపిస్తుంది. ఓ వావ్, దేర్ ఈస్ ది ట్రైడెంట్ అవుట్ సైడ్. Hey, I really love this color yaar. New Street Twin mein this blue color. Of course I love my bike's color as well, but you see this blue color, very beautiful, right? So these are the bar and mirrors that I'm taking for the Street Twin, and these are the LED indicators. This is just the front, right? Rendu vastaya?
This is only for the front.
Rear kuda unnayi kada. So these are the bullet LED indicators. ఓకే బాయ్ బాయ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ శ్రీకాంత్. మారిపోయింది సూపర్ స్పోర్ట్ లాగా. ఈ పాతవన్నీ దాంట్లో ఉన్నాయా బ్యాడ్జ్ అంతా? ఇది టైమింగ్ మార్చచ్చు కదా మనం? ఓకే ఓకే. సో హౌ డు వి టాగుల్? అచ్చా ఓకే చలో థ్యాంక్ యూ బాయ్ బాయ్. Okay, really the look, no forget the looks. Definitely the bike is looking little bit different now. I mean we have to change a lot of other things as well to get the complete proper retro look. For now the feel of the bike, trust me yaar, it feels like a little bit of a super sport. It shouldn't be compared, but you know what I mean, right? And oh yes, with this handlebar, zipping in the city is much more easier than that comfort handlebar. Nice feeling yaar. This is what I wanted. I'm so happy. Only thing is you have to have a strong back. Right now I can feel a little bit of a pinch in my back because yesterday I did deadlifts. Oh yes, definitely that pain is there. I can feel it. I'll give a proper 120 fps shots of this bike later under our beautiful pergola. But yeah, right now 3 things we have changed: the Ace handlebar, the bar and mirrors that you see, these beautiful bar and mirrors, these are the most expensive on this bike right now. And then apart from this, what else? Yeah, LED indicators, you can see it from here, but yeah, when they blink they're like really beautiful. Why do I feel like I have panniers here? Nice. What a feeling, dude. Now I really want to ride this bike. Of course in the city. Oh, by the way, this is a new handlebar. This is not the handlebar that I took from Charan. This is a completely new handlebar. Problem is the older handlebar that I've taken, there are some parts missing in it. Somehow chota screws and all that are missing, and there's also a clamp that sits below this handlebar that holds the handlebar. Even that clamp is missing. Luckily Triumph Hyderabad had it. The entire kit was there. Obviously they cannot give me just the clamp, so I had to get the entire handlebar, but that's okay yaar. Main thing is we are happy, bro. oh. And the weather still continues to be amazing. Time is around 4 o'clock in the evening. We have proper jams now. It's better we reach home before 5 o'clock. Right now 4 hour. I think we should reach home by 5 o'clock, because after 5 o'clock everything is back to normal and we have crazy amount of traffic everywhere possible. Nice yeah, the feeling of this bike now has changed by at least 20-30%. Seriously. Now I understand how a super sport guy feels. This position is definitely more confidence inspiring. Nice. After I finish all the accessories on the bike, which will take forever, there's so many accessories, at least 120 accessories for this bike. Chota screws se leke valve covers to this brake lid, these screws, chota every damn thing you can find. I'm planning to put one accessory every month on this bike. Chichi, this is not the place. Let me put it another pergola and then I'll show it to you. We have to do good justice to it. We spent, no? We paid. Oh yes, looks nice. Already started taking shape. I mean, it will be much better. For now, it is like just 10% done because you see that complete look has changed. Also, one more thing I did is, you remember there was a number plate here? I removed that. I'm planning to put a number plate here or somewhere else, maybe on the side like this. But here it looks very weird. Apart from this, I think we have to even change the seat. This part looks like a proper cafe racer. You know, this is how a classic works. You can customize it the way you want. All these things you can't do it on an adventure tour. Next thing definitely I wanted to change is the quilted bench seat. That will make it look like flat here, and that complements the entire look of the bike. You can even change the small nuts. You get like proper Triumph accessories for this. You can make it total black. Apart from that, you can change the header pipe to black and then the exhaust as well to black. Oh, also we had changed these things. Look at the bar and mirrors, dude. Look so beautiful. Nice, amazing. And I like the way they move. And when you change this bar and mirrors, you'll also have to change this bar and finishers. First these were like aluminum color, now we change it to black, as you can see. Oh, one more thing we can change is this one. It's called the intake cover. One more thing, you see this grab rail? This looks very ganda. This one will go and even the rear fender will go. It's called the tail teddy. When you get the tail teddy, that is like pretty expensive. I think it's gonna cost you somewhere around 30 or 40,000 or even more. The tail tide is going to look like more sharp like that instead of this rounded edges. The most expensive part will be definitely the exhaust system. You get the Vance & Hines black exhaust, which is like a matte black. That will replace this part and even the header pipe. Every month one by one I'll be changing it, and yes, it is gonna look dope. Oh, how can we forget? We changed the indicators as well. These are the LED bullet indicators. And those dope. Looks nice, right? These are flashing a little bit fast now. You can even adjust the timing of that, how fast or how slow it should blink. For now, I think this is good. Such a photogenic bike this is, yaar. Any angle you see it, it looks amazing. You see that is the first time ever we have 1% battery. Like literally 1% battery, never before in my life. So then I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you did, you guys know what to do. Hit the like button, do share, do comment. Definitely hit the like button, extra like button if possible, for the Street Twins looks now. I don't know how did you like it, but I'm definitely in love with it. Especially the riding style and all. It's gone up by at least 20-30%, dude. I'm so happy. So I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Take care.